Today I'm sharing 5 easy tips to help you make these profiteroles at home. All right, let's start with one of the most important things. Tip number 1, add enough egg to your pate choux dough. If you do not add enough egg, it's going to be very thick like this, and when the profiteroles bake, they're going to be bready inside. Not what we want. However, this next example is ideal. I've added more egg, the dough or batter is more flowy, and whenever you lift the paddle out of the bowl, it forms a nice drippy bird beak. Super technical, I know, but it's a really good visual, and you can see if you watch here, it's going to drip off and it holds kind of a nice little point on there. Tip number 2, pipe your profiteroles evenly before baking. No Hershey kisses, no swirls. This is not icing. We want them to be really uniform. So hold your tip upright, pipe from the middle, and then do a quick little twist and flick of your wrist to pull it away. Now, practice this a few times as it just takes a little bit of practice and you'll get the hang of it. Next, you're going to dampen the points if there are any little bits of dough sticking up. Just grab a little pastry brush or use your finger, dip it in water, and press those points down. That way, when they bake, you don't have any little points that stick up and burn. All right, number 4, make sure you bake your profiteroles all the way through. This first example is one that is underbaked. It looks golden, but you can tell it's not done. The sides are really light and it's squishy. After it bakes, it collapses. This next one, however, is baked all the way through. It has a little give to it, but it's baked and has a much stronger structure, and this is not going to collapse after baking. And finally, tip number 5, use the right kind of knife to slice your profiteroles. If you use a flat edge knife, you're going to have the toughest time cutting these open. You can see I just tried and it basically just indents it. Instead, use a serrated knife. This is so easy. It cuts through perfectly, and then you have a beautiful little profiterole. And as you can see, it's hollow inside, which means there was enough egg. To finish off your dessert, add some vanilla ice cream and this delicious, luxurious chocolate sauce, and you have the perfect ending to any meal.